Hello everyone, this is Virgil. Today the topic of my presentation is COVID-19. In this presentation, we're going to talk about why the COVID-19 is a worldwide problem, what achievements have been completed, meanwhile, what is the hidden danger and how could we find a direction of the entrepreneurship. COVID-19 is called coronavirus disease 2019 and it is a highly infectious pneumonia virus. The first recorded large-scale outbreak occurred in Wuhan, China, and cumulative totally of nearly 25 million cases and 800,000 deaths have been reported since the start of the outbreak. The virus spreads through the air and it is very latent, so it is difficult to prevent. In order to prevent the spread of infection, countries have to adopt a series of measures, including closure and isolation. In addition to medical health and personal safety issues, the COVID-19 outbreak has also caused a global economic recession. Countless small and medium-sized enterprises have to declare bankruptcy in this process, and a large number of people were unemployed. The psychological problems and social turmoil caused by the group challenged the order of every country. Although COVID-19 has brought a huge challenge to the world and human civilization, the amazing perseverance and unity showed by human society in the fight against the plague deserve everyone's pride. Around the world, countries and regions have monthly supported the medical staff and medical supplies, and have passed the most dangerous stage of the virus outbreak. Although some countries and regions have showed publicism and local protectionism, it is undeniable that the unity of vast majority of human beings is an important factor in the fight against COVID-19 and faced victory. At the same time, hospital, school, police, and government medium have all played an important and active roles. Those public departments, under the coordination of the government and the entire society, have ensured people's lives. During the COVID-19 period, the public sector regains the support of the people, and solidarity and cooperation have never been as important as during the COVID-19 pandemic. Under new challenges and pressures, people's activities began to explore the law of development in the new world, and actively tried new work methods in various fields. Compared with the past, physical closure had compelled people to pay more attention to contact and communication, and the application of international technology has been more fully used in many fields. It is extremely difficult to achieve these achievements, because people have achieved such achievements under the tremendous economic and social pressures. Rumors, panic, hatred, and superstitions. Those negative information makes people more passive in the face of similar natural challenge, especially when we are still in such an era of rapid spread of information. In addition to those achievements, in fact, the current society still has many huge hidden dangers due to the adverse effect of COVID-19. The economic risks caused by COVID-19 still exist, and various countries and companies are also working hard to organize economic recovery. Some backward areas have even explored regional economic cooperation, and they need the support for their countries. At the same time, in addition to the different opportunities in different fields, there are also some business queries that need to be addressed. In this economic crisis, small and medium-sized enterprises are fatal, while large enterprises may have a monopolistic market position due to the impact. With the further restart of the social economy, entrepreneurs need to avoid business crises such as capital monopoly. Only when the new industries and the new enterprises are continuously established can be the social economy developed healthily. In the post-COVID-19 era, the industry and industry rules have changed significantly from the previous era. The capitals of countless companies may be the current early, but it also gives the surviving enterprises an important opportunity to summarize the rules of survival. Through the test of COVID-19, it is easy to find that isolated companies are failed. In most cases, people need collective strength to survive the difficult time of all mankind. The communication between enterprises and enterprises, entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs will be closer than ever. The process of globalization will be full deepened, and international companies will play a more important role in more fields. Cities after COVID-19 will be dominated by intelligence and digitalization, and the region of digital continuity will be effect improve the public health and challenge of urban place. What follow is the higher requirements of information technology and medical technology. Core technology is the highest productivity, and having better core technology also have a higher risk resistance. This time, the economic crisis caused by the COVID-19 outbreak has made more entrepreneurs think about their core competencies and survivability. Reducing the depending on available links may be a problem that SMEs need to consider in the future plan. Those phenomena and conditions all show that with the COVID-19 incidence and demarcation point, a new social and business rule has been pushed onto the stage of history. Various signs indicate that the future society is developing in the direction of high technology, high intelligence, and high artistries. In fact, similar trends have already shown its turn, but the COVID-19 pandemic had accelerated this process. The new generation of entrepreneurs need to carefully choose their entrepreneurial starting point and direction, so as to find their chance to success more easily in the future. This is the end of this presentation. Thanks for watching.